What's up, guys? Today we have a Nadine West unboxing. I enjoy Nadine West because they are the most affordable styling service. Now, you do compromise some on quality, style, things like that, but I always get at least a couple pieces in here that I'm excited about, whether it be the clothing or the jewelry, things like that. My name is Jen. If this is your first time here, I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, a few other fashion related type videos. So if that sounds good to you, then please subscribe below. That'd be greatly appreciated. Returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back, your support. And I never remind anybody, but turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time that I post. If you guys are not familiar with the old pink bag of Nadine West, I will give you a very brief overview as I attempt to wrangle open this bag. Nadine West is a styling service. They send you anywhere from like 2 to 15 items. I don't know. I get a different number of items every single time. I think the most I've had is maybe 12, 14, I don't know. And it's mostly clothes, but they always throw in a couple pieces of jewelry or accessories. I have most of my accessories shut off just because, You get 7 days to decide what you like, and I think I'm past those 7 days, so I might need to ask for an extension because I'm behind on filming and life and all those things, and I cut this bag in ways I probably shouldn't have. You do return your items in the same bag, so you kind of got to be a little bit delicate with it because, you got to send it back. You can't just tear the top off of it. So, what else? Oh, there's no styling fee, but there's a shipping fee of $9.78, but that does get applied to anything you purchase. And I think that's all I can think about. That's the general gist of it. You can get it every 2 weeks or monthly. I'm on monthly just because I only want to get it occasionally, and I'm just gonna get into it, guys. Let's just get into it. Okay, first off, I see this kind of mauve-ish, and it feels like, okay, it's some wide leg pants. Interesting, with pockets. And I'm not against it, I'm really trying to push myself outside of my normal comfort zone with my style, so I might be into this. We'll see what it's like once I get it on. I don't actually see a brand on here, so I can't tell you who this is by. But yeah, they're cute. I don't hate them. I like these a lot better than when they send me like the skinny dress pants or legging dress pants that I cannot wear to work. This is something that I could, so we'll see. And then we have something green, which is always exciting since green is my favorite color. And this is by Hippie Chick, and this is size small as well, and this is like a maxi skirt. Okay, I like it. I could wear an animal print top with this, or if it's like Christmas time, I could wear kind of a gold shimmery type top with it or something like that. So I like it. All right, not bad, not bad. Let's keep going. All right, bundle number 2. I see a plaid. There you go. All right, a kind of a pinkish and is it black or gray plaid shirt. I really like that. I like this color. I like that it's not a lot of crazy colors. I like, oh, and this is Active USA. It's just pink, white, and black. And I think it's really cute. And I've had success with this type of shirt from Nadine West, that I have a couple like this that I like. So I think this would look great with like a pair of black distressed pants. So really happy with this, actually. All right, next up I have a black thing. Oh, we got ourselves some booty shorts. Really high waist booty shorts. Could sleep in them maybe. Probably won't be keeping those, but that's what they are. This is by Popular 21. And then we have, okay, almost like that baby doll style where it's kind of got a mid-waist here. It's almost like a peplum or a longer torsoed baby doll. And it's like a brownish cream color. Not a huge fan. I don't think I really like this waistline, but who knows, maybe I'll put it on and decide it's the best ever. It does have a little keyhole back, which is cute. And again, oh, this is by Tressix. Okay, and I dropped some jewelry, so let's pick those up. Okay, here's what we've got: some dangly earrings with little dangle spheres, or flat, I don't know what to call them, but okay, those are pretty. I like those. I'll probably end up keeping those. I have acquired a lot of good jewelry from Nadine West. I think I've really only had like one set of earrings that I've had an issue with, where it kind of lost its gold color a little bit in some spots. But other than that, I've not had any quality issues or anything like that with Nadine West. I mean, obviously this isn't like super high-end jewelry, but I'm just saying it's been sufficient for me. Okay, and then here we have a necklace that I have to figure out how to detangle. I think this is maybe a double layer. Okay, yes. It's a double layer with a triangle and this thing here. So that's very pretty. I'm actually excited to try that on because I might like that. I might like it. All right, I've got one more bundle, guys, so hang with me here. All right, friends, last bundle. See a beautiful blue in here, so excited to see what that is. All right, here we go. Again, kind of a tan color here, and it's just a, oh, I like this actually. It's just a long sleeve shirt, simple shirt by Heart and Hips, and there's a seam going down the back, and it's kind of definitely a high low to it, as you can see there. But I think this would be a nice layering piece, so I like that. And then we got this beautiful blue top, V-neck top, a simple long sleeve shirt, and I think I'm gonna keep this unless it fits weird. But again, this is by Zenana Outfitters, but again, great layering piece with, you know, a jean jacket or a black jacket or whatever on top of this. So, but I love that blue. Look at that, guys. That's gorgeous. Okay, and then the last, I have a big black thing. What are you? You look like paper bag pants. So, it looks like paper bag pants. It smells like paper bag pants. We're going to call it paper bag pants. They look long, so I have a feeling that these might not make the cut because they might be too long, but we'll see. I might be surprised. These are by Lydell, L-Y-D-E-L-L-E, and they have the tie around it, the paper bag tie on it, and, you know, stretchy, elasticy waist. I think they look really comfortable. I could definitely wear these to work. Again, big improvement on dress pants for me to potentially wear to work. So I like these. It's just a matter of, are they too long on me? So this is actually one of my better Nadine West that I've had, so I'm pretty happy with most of this. And it'll just be a matter of, does this stuff fit or not? But there was nothing in there that I was like a definite no on. So, all right, let's try stuff on. All right, friends of mine. First up, we have kind of this tannish, taupish shirt. I think it's a good layering piece. It's got the longer in the back, but that might be kind of cute under a jacket. Very simple, worth keeping if the price is right. Not, I mean, to me, not worth a whole lot, but it is nice if it's like a cheap layering piece. Okay, so the skirt. Now the skirt, full length, but not too long at all. I could wear flats with it and it would not drag on the ground. Love the color of the skirt. I'm excited that this is kind of one of the colors of the season because I keep getting sent this beautiful green and it makes me so happy. Makes me really happy. It is a nice high waist to it, loose fitting, not like super snug here on the bum. I mean, a little bit of snugness, but not too bad. There, you can see that. And I just think it's gorgeous, and again, great length. So I think this skirt is definitely going to be a keeper for me, and I cannot wait to wear it. So let's go to the next outfit. Okay, next outfit, and when I say outfits, I just mean I'm pairing a couple pieces together that don't completely clash. I'm just trying to get through all the clothes as quickly as possible, and not that this is how I'd actually pair things to go out in the world, because it's not. Anyway, so the top, it's got kind of this elastic on the sleeve. It's not bad. It's got kind of this baby dollish look to it, but I don't think I'm going to be excited to grab for it. So I think this is probably not going to be a keeper. I just kind of feel about the style. The pants actually, they feel really good. They fit really well. They've got a good snugness, but not too snug on them. Here's the 360. I'm not sure it's completely flattering on my body type. Like, there's like a lot of hip going on, and usually I try to find stuff that kind of flattens that out a little bit or slims it down or something. So I'm not sure this is the most flattering style for me. The length is great. Again, I could wear flats with these, and I don't know, I'm on the fence as far as these. So would love some opinions on what you guys think. So yes. All right, next outfit. Okay, so next outfit here. I love the blue color. I think it's beautiful. It's a bit, I'm almost wondering if it's too bright, but I don't know. I do think it's a good color. Again, would love to hear opinions. And it's a good fit. The pants are super comfortable. Not snug at all, which is good. Oh, it does have back pockets, front and back pockets in it, so pockets galore. I like the paper bag style. The length of it is not bad. It's a little bit long here, but I would probably wear some heels with these, so that probably would not be an issue. And here's the 360 of it. I think I might actually keep these pants. I think these would be cute, comfortable pants. I do like the paper bag style. I guess I should show you guys the rest of the shirt. So it is a longer shirt, but I think it tucks well into things. So I'd actually probably wear this as an outfit. Alright, so let me know what you guys think. I know I ask that a lot, but I love getting people's opinions, because sometimes I think I like something, but I'm not sure, and so hearing what people think about different pieces is actually super helpful for me. So let's do the plaid shirt next. I'm not going to show you guys the booty shorts. I tried them on. They fit. They're booty shorts. Okay, this is the last top, and I would not pair these two together. I just didn't feel like going to get a pair of jeans. And I really like the colors of this top. I just think it's really pretty. I like the pink and the white and the black together. I think that's a great combination. I did one sleeve completely down and one sleeve kind of rolled up, and I'm kind of fine with it either way. I think it down is maybe slightly long, but it'd be fine underneath a jacket or something like that. And then if I wore it by itself, I'd probably have the tab sleeve. So I like this, and I think I'm going to keep it. I do like the pockets here. I think that's a cute detail. So there you go. That's this shirt. Let's go over prices and decide what to keep. This is actually going to be a difficult decision for me this time. All right, let's do prices now, and then we'll figure out what the heck we're keeping. Okay, so I got my little price sheet on here, and I'm going to start at the top. I did order things so I don't have to hunt through here. This is the Jasmine top. This is the baby doll one, and it is $11.99. The style of it is just meh, so I'm not going to keep that. This is the Reba's roll-up sleeve plaid shirt with pockets, and it is $16.99, and I really love the colors of it. It's a good fit. I am going to keep this. Then this is the Lisbeth top in bright royal, and it is $19.19. And I love the color of it, and I think it'll be good under some black jackets and things like that. So I'm gonna keep that. And then this is the Jenny top, and it is in mocha, and this is one that I was thinking would be a good layering piece, simple top. And then I did notice that there is a hole here where the seam has come undone. So, pass. So I will be sending that back. I can't remember if I told you the price, and if I didn't, it's $11.99. Then what I keep called the booty shorts, they call them running shorts. Those are $14.99. No, thank you. The Monique ribbed wide leg pants. These are $11.99. It's such a good price. I know I was on the fence because I'm not sure it's a real flattering cut on me, but for $11.99, I might not care. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. All right, then we have the black pants. These are the Amanda pants, and these are $26.99. I think I'm going to keep these too. I thought they were a good fit. They were super comfortable. They weren't too snug. I like the paper bag, and I think I would wear those. So I think those are going to end up staying. Then we have the Cali maxi skirt in hunter green, $21.49, and I think this is gorgeous. I love that color. Anyways, so I'm going to keep that as well. And then I didn't show you guys the jewelry, so I will now. These are the Jacqueline gold earrings, and they're okay. I don't know, I'm a little bit underwhelmed by them. And they are $13.99. And then the necklace, this is the Dory gold turquoise, because there's turquoise there. Necklace, double layer. It's cute, but I do have a lot of, and $14.99. So it's cute, but I do have a lot of other clothing items that I'm interested in. So for the sake of keeping costs down, I don't think I'm going to keep the jewelry just because I'm a little bit underwhelmed, and instead probably keep like all the pants and then a couple of the tops. So this is actually a really good bag for me. So thank you, Nadine West. That my last bag, you guys should go back and watch that one. That one was a bit of a dud for me. So I'm happy to have one that I have a lot more pieces that I like. And all right, that's it. That's my bag. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, then subscribe then subscribe below. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.